If you want to create product mockups, Canva has come a long way in helping us do just that. Gone are the days where we have to adjust the image edges so it could overlay on the product. In Canva, there is an easy way to do that. All you have to do is just go into this Canva apps section. You will find a mockup section here. You can also simply go to canva.com/mockups, and depending on what you need to show your product on, choose the category here. I'm going to choose packaging, and then depending on your need, you can choose from this category again, subcategory here. For now, I'm going to choose this mug. Click on select and then click on upload files to upload the image that you want to fit into your product mockup. Now you can adjust the image by clicking on this adjust image and then move it the way you want it, or zoom in and zoom out to create the desired effect that you want. You can now click on save mockup. Now you can use that in a design or download it. This way we can easily see how our images appear realistically on the products through the mockups feature. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next Canva video.